In this question, you have to identify which of the following components provide sticky character to the bacterial cell. Option A, nuclear membrane. It is incorrect because bacteria lack a nuclear membrane as they are prokaryotic organisms. Option B, plasma membrane. Now, while the plasma membrane is important for selective permeability and maintaining cellular integrity, but it does not provide the stickiness. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, glycocalyx. Now, the glycocalyx is a gelatinous, sticky layer which is composed of polysaccharides and or polypeptides that surrounds the cell wall of many bacteria, and it allows the bacteria to adhere to surfaces and also protects them from desiccation and immune system attacks. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, cell wall. It is also incorrect because the cell wall provides structural support and shape to the bacteria, but it does not impart any sticky characteristic.